Hi, everybody. We're going to look at factoring quadratics with algebra tiles, and I did not preview it, so it's going to be a surprise. Here it is, AA.3, factor quadratics with algebra tiles. Let's see what they gave us. Okay, they want to make sure we know how to read them. So they want us to find 3x plus 2, which is going to be one of the dimensions. We call these the dimensions, the length and the width of the rectangle. And the 3x plus 3 is going to be the other dimension. Well, notice that there is an x, an x, an x, a 1, a 1, and a 1. This is 3x plus 3 on this side. And this side over here has 3x's plus 2, which is exactly what we were looking for. And of course, we have the 9x squared plus the 15x plus the 6. And we have 9 and 6 more makes the 15. And everything works out. It's the very first one we see there. But I'm going to go ahead and read the others just to practice a little bit. This one here says 2x plus 3. And this side says 3x plus 2, doesn't it, down here? I have to be careful not to touch it because it'll say I got it wrong. Now this one says 3x plus 3 times 2x plus 2. This side is 3x plus 3, and the width, if you like, is 2x plus 2. That's the one that's down there. And this one says 2x plus 3 by 2x plus 2 on the bottom. So hopefully you can read those. Basically, that's more or less what we're going to be doing today is reading these so that we are able to identify the factors. These are called the binomial factors of this trinomial. And if we multiply these two, we can see we get the 9x squared. We have a 6x and a 9x on the inside, which gives us our 15x. And our last term is the plus 6, which is modeled down here that you can see those yellow single unit squares. Anyway, there it is. It's the first one. Now let's see if we can read the rest. So this one is going to be 2x plus 3. It's not the first one, that's for sure. This one is 3x plus 2, but the bottom one is not 2x plus 3, is it? Notice that 3 times 2 is 6, and there's only 4 units down there, so that's definitely not it. We're looking for 2x plus 3. Let me write it right here. 2x plus 3 times 3x plus 2. Well, let's see. We've got 3x plus 2. I see that one. But this one is only x plus 3 down here. So that's not it. And I'm going to write it again. 2x plus 3 times 3x plus 2. Let's see here. We've got a 3x plus 2. Nice. And do we have a 2x plus 3? We do. And there it is. Once I find it, I'll go ahead and take that one. So I think you guys will be able to read them okay. Now this one is 2x plus 2. Let's write it down here so it's down at the bottom. 2x plus 2 times 3x plus 2. Well, this time we want to get 4 units down in the corner. Well, this one is 2x plus 2, which is nice, but it's 3x plus 1, isn't it? That is not it, because that's 3x plus 1 right there. This one is 2x plus 2. Oh, touched it. Darn it. I hate it when that happens. Yeah, I know. That was a perfect square trinomial. I got to quit touching them. All right, we've got a 3x plus 3 and a 2x plus 3. So this one is a square. That one is 3x plus 2x plus 3 times a 2x plus 3, which is not what we're looking for. And this one, of course, is not right either, because this one is a 2x times a 2x. There's 2x's each way. We're still looking for the 3x times a 2x. Here's a 2x plus 3 times a 3x plus 3. Is that the right one? I can't tell. 3x plus 3, 2x plus 3. Yep, there it is. There we go. Come on. Alrighty then. Sorry about that, guys. Didn't mean to slow us down. All right, we've got a 2x plus 3. This is definitely not it. And this one is definitely not it. So I'm going to write it. Oh, got to write it right here. 2x plus 3 and a 3x plus 1. We do have a 3x plus 1 here. And we do have a 2x plus 3 here, but not the other one isn't right. Now this one has a 3x plus 2, so this one is not it either. So it looks like it might be our last one. We've got 2x plus 3, yes we do, along the top, and we're looking for a 3x plus 1. Let's see if we get that. No, we don't. Wait a minute. Is that what we're looking for? Hang on. 3x plus 1 and a 2x plus 3. Oh, there it is. Duh. This is a 3x plus 1 along this side, and we have a 2x plus 3 along this side. There it is. You were probably going, hey, look, silly guy. All right, we've got a 2x plus 1 along, a 2x plus 2 along the bottom, which is what we're looking for, and we do not have an x plus 1 this way. We have an x plus 2 this way, which is not what we're looking for, because we want a 2x plus 2 times an x plus 1. There's our x plus 1, and there's our 2x plus 2. It's this one right here. Now this, for me, is not especially helpful to see how the factoring works. And I'm going to talk to you about factoring without algebra tiles in a bit. We could put these together like this and try to put them in a rectangle and make it work out. But there's a so much better way of doing this. Anyway, we've got a 2x plus 3. We clearly want to have 3 units down at the bottom, so that's not it. This one has a 3x plus 3. Nope, this one's not it. This one has a 3x plus 2. Nope. And this one has a 2x plus 3. That's this side over here, and a 3x plus 1. Let's see if that's the one we're looking for. Yeah, 2x plus 3 and a 3x plus 1. There it is. Might be easier to actually write it on your paper so you can see it better, or memorize it. We've got a 3x plus 3 and an x plus 3. And this one has 6 single units, so it's definitely not it. 3 times 3 is 9, isn't it? There's 9. We've got a 2x and a 3x, not the one we're looking for. We've got an x and a 3x, and we definitely have a 9, and there it is right there. This says x plus 3 times 3x plus 3, which does give us 3x squared plus 9x plus 3x, which is plus 12x plus 9. Let's see if that's what we were looking for. It sure is. There it is. Hopefully I'm not going too slow for you. I'm going to go a little faster in a bit. 2x plus 1, 3x plus 1. Nope. Nope. 3x plus 1, 2x plus 1. There it is. What? What? Did I grab the wrong one? Oh, I'm such a retard. Look at that. Oh. Yeah, I know. Which one did I pick? Isn't that the one I picked? Oh, crud. I grabbed the bottom one instead of when I scrolled down, I scrolled too far. Okay, I'm just going to go faster. 2x plus 2, no. 2x plus 2, 3x plus 1, no. 2x plus 2, 3x plus 1. This is it. I'm just going to pick the right one each time. Oh my goodness gracious. Okay, we've got an x plus 2 and a 3x plus 2. It's the first one. It's nice when it's the first one so we can actually read it. I think it probably would behoove you to write it down so that you can see it each time. I'm going to go ahead and memorize it. We're looking at both 3x's. One is a 1 and one is a 2. Nope. Nope. This one. Nope. They're both 3x plus 1, and one is a 3x plus 2, and there it is. You see, we can see this one is a 3x plus 2, and this one over here is a 3x plus 1, which is the one we're looking for. Come on. Okay, x plus 3, 3x plus 2. I have an 3x plus 2, but not a x plus 3. And not that one. 3x plus 2 and an x plus 3. There it is. 3x plus 2 and an x plus 3. Make sure it's the right one. X plus 3, 3x plus 2. Yeah, that's it. Don't want to make silly errors again. All right, 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1. There's a 2x plus 1, and we have an x plus 3. Yep, there it is. Come on. And we've got an x plus 1. This one has an x plus 2, doesn't it? At the bottom, along the bottom there. This one has an x plus 1 and a 2x plus 2. There it is. This one has an x plus 1 and an x plus 2. Notice that it's really small. 1x and 2x makes my 3 x's that you see in there, the 3 green x's, and the plus 2 at the end and the x squared in the beginning. All right, we've got an x plus 2 and a 2x plus 3. It's the very first one, isn't it? There's my 2x plus 3, and here's my x plus 2. Yep. It's nice when you get one on the first one there. Let's see. Oh, now we can get it. Okay, so we've got a 2x plus 2. I'm just reading it. So we've got 2x plus 2, and we've got an x plus 3 over here, don't we? That's all. All you have to do is read it. And I'm not going to check it because we're just reading the dimensions. This is 2x plus 1. Hopefully you can see I have an x and an x and a 1, and 3x plus 2. I'm going to write it 3x plus 2. There we go. So we have a 2x plus 1 and a 3x plus 2. And I like these better, so let's see. 3x plus 1 and an x plus 1. And we'll talk about how to factor correctly in another one. If they give you the tiles, there's no reason not to read them. 3, oh, gotta put the parentheses. If you don't put the parentheses, what's happening is if I were to not write parentheses, if I wrote this 3x plus 1, sorry, times x plus 1, what would happen is the 1 would be being multiplied, but the 3x wouldn't. So you have to include parentheses around both binomials. Make sure I read it correctly. We're just reading, this is an x plus 1 this way, and we have a 3x plus 3 the other way. Nice when they make it easy for you to put it in. Okay, especially after I messed them up so much. This is 2x plus 1 this way. See the 2x's plus 1, and this one is 3x plus 3. And we're getting there. All right, we've got an x plus 3. Hopefully you can see it. There's an x, 1, 2, 3. Here's 1, 2, 3x plus 2. And we've got 1, 2, 3x plus 1. I'm going to count them as I go. And we have a 1, 2, 3x plus 3. And I want to just point something out. When I multiply these, I multiply them like this. There's my 9x squared. There's my plus 3. And for my middle term, I multiply these and add them in my head. 9x and 3x makes 12x. Anyway, that's going to be 3x plus 1 and 3x plus 3. Looks like they're going to really make us work for the end here since I made so many errors. We've got a 3x plus 3, 1, 2, 3x plus 1, 2, 3, and we have a 3x plus 1. That looks familiar. I think it's the same one. By the way, it doesn't matter what order you write them in. Oh, no space. I don't want a space. I just want to be done. Here we go. All right, we've got an x plus 1. There it is, x plus 1, and an x plus 3. That's all. And we've got an x plus 2 this way, x plus 1, 2, and a 3x plus 1. Doing that. There it is. And we have an x plus 3 and a 2x plus 3. We got a 2x plus 1, and we have an x plus 2. There it is, x plus 1, 2. I keep checking to make sure I'm actually typing what I think I am. All right, we've got a 2x plus 3. That is 1, 2x plus 1, 2, 3. And I have a 1x plus 1, 2, 3. And we have one last one, and then we're done. I hope you guys did it yourself. We have an x plus 1, and we have a 3x plus 1, don't we? Oh, helps if I actually get the last one right. X plus 1 and 3x plus 1. And I hope you guys will get your mastery medal too. And I know you can do it. All you have to do is read those nice algebra tiles. and I'll see you back again. Bye-bye, guys.